of 11 rupees. What kind of justification is this to the farmer? So we need to be fair to all sections of the society. So I would urge a much better management of inflation, since this last session is dedicated to overall inflation.
Right.
Onions themselves have contributed 0.6% to increase in WPI, nearly 1%. And all food.
Right.
Inflation is very high for the last 3 years. I also agree with Prakash. This is no good argument to say that people are getting richer, your incomes are up, therefore prices are up. The planning commissions of every country in this country has one. It's our job to ensure that there is prosperity, to predict what kind of demand pattern will arise from higher incomes. We have to balance supplies with that and create conditions that supplies match, the expected increased demand and nutrients, whether it is butter, chicken, or whatever it is there, etc. So that we have not been able to do successfully, and I hope that the government in after 2014 and the new government, also at the state levels, because this is a problem also at very state levels on this level, need a total coordination. I hope that these measures, supplementary measures, will add to our process of bridging the gap between farm gate prices and the consumer price.
Right. Professor Kabra, a quick word from you on why do you think we have failed on the prices front?
You see, when I mention Essential Commodities Act, it doesn't mean bringing back the inspector ask. What it means is that the circuit breaker applies and an announcement effect that look, more than that will not be tolerated. So that, as we have been mentioning, when the traders, hoarders, speculators, right from the contractors who go to the small towns and mandis, they get this message that this will not wash. So it's not that you, the inspector, nobody is going to. Then the other thing is that the public warehouses and private warehouses.
Okay.
If we talk of decentralized management, which is the answer, then you need to have panchayat owned in every block 10-15 big godowns. The scheme which some of us gave from our institute is finding some, that there's some 5,000 crores of provision was made for this year's budget and so on. That kind of thing, you know where the stocks are. You don't have to organize. That has another big advantage, is that your estimates of production and marketed, once you have most of the things coming to panchayat owned decentralized godowns, you will have a very good idea about what is the level of production and a cross check on that.
Right.
And the other important thing is overall policies that we are saying. 5%, under 5% inflation makes sense when real income of the people are increasing at the plus 5% level, right? Only then, so that people are not becoming worse off.
Okay.
Now that requires that the income growth is
by excessive monsoon, but it is also to blame on mismanagement by the government. But we can only hope that the prices of onion, which is at the moment a luxury commodity in our kitchens, will come down and it will remain that way. On that note, it's time for me to wrap up the discussion here. I'd like to thank all my guests for coming to the studios. It was a pleasure having you all here. That's it for now in this edition of Insight. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.